Checklists are a list of tasks which a worker has to look after during assigned tour. Let's say if you are creating a patrol for a patrol officer, then he has a list which helps him to ensure all standard tasks has been performed by him. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add a checklist. First, navigate to the Patrol tab, and click Checklists. On the right hand corner you should see a button says Create New Record. Click this and you can then add desired checklist and its short code on this page. Once done, press Save Record button and now you see a confirmation message. If you need to quickly go back and edit something, then you can navigate to Actions menu available in each record. You can also delete a record by simply navigating to Actions menu. A prompt will appear displaying "Are you sure to delete?" Please note that all deleted records are available in Trash for a permanent delete or restore. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.